Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the properties of square numbers. So, the first property is the number ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8. Never a perfect square. Number ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8. Never a perfect square. For example, 152 last digit is 2, 1028 the last digit is 8, 6593 the last digit is 3. These all numbers are not a perfect square because in these numbers the last digit is 2, 8, 3. That's why they are not perfect square. Second property, a number ending in 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 may not necessarily be a square number. It means to say that if we see only the unit digit 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 may not be a square number. For example, 20, 31, 24. These are the numbers in which the unit digit is 0, 1 and 4 having, but they not a perfect square. So we have to only to find the square number by splitting the numbers in prime factors. Understood? The third property, a number ending in odd number of 0. That means to say the number of 0 is in odd, cannot be a perfect square. For example, 10, 1000, etc. They are not a perfect square. A square of even numbers. The fourth property is the square of even numbers are even. For example, 2 square is 4, it is also even. 4 is even. 8 square is 64, it is also even. Understood? Fifth property, square of odd numbers. Square of odd numbers are odd. For example, 3 square equal to 9, it is a odd. 7 square is 49, it is also odd. Understood? Now the sixth property, the difference of a square of two consecutive natural numbers is equal to their sum. That means to say if we take two consecutive natural number and if we find their differences, then we have to only add these numbers. See from the example here, 4 square minus 3 square. These are the two natural numbers, two consecutive natural numbers. Then we can directly write it 4 square minus 3 square equal to 4 plus 3, that is 7. Take out the another example, 9 square minus 8 square. 9 square minus 8 square. Here it is also they are the consecutive numbers. So we will write it directly, 9 plus 8 equal to 17. Understood? And the last property is property number 7, Pythagorean triplet. So what is Pythagorean triplet? For any natural number n greater than 1, 2n, n square minus 1, n square plus 1 is a Pythagorean triplet. For any natural number n greater than 1, 2n, n square minus 1, n square plus 1 is a Pythagorean triplet. Let us see from the example. if one member of Pythagorean triplet is 8, find the Pythagorean triplet. This is the question. So always we will take it as a smallest number, that is 2n equal to 8. What the number it is given, we will take it as 2n. So here 2n equal to given 8, then n equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4. Therefore we find out here n. Therefore n square minus 1 equal to 4 square minus 1 equal to 16 minus 1, that means 15, and n square plus 1 equal to 4 square plus 1 equal to 16 plus 1, that is 17. So we obtain the Pythagorean triplet, that is 8, 15 and 17. Got it? So these are the properties of a square number. Understood? In next topic we will learn about the square roots. Thank you.